Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find the number which is called build number, and it should be in the software information. And as you can see, the build number is right here. Now we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. And the thing is that if you've got the screen lock, then you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. Now we can go back to the general settings and find and actually scroll down to the very bottom again. As you can see, the developer options will appear under the About Phone. Now let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can do the background check, we can force the dark mode, we can change the window animation scale, we can show a visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to the networking, because we've got the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, and the OTG, I believe, were somewhere here. We've got the USB also, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of advanced options. And if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and as you can see from now, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, just tap on it to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you want to turn them off, just tap on this switcher right here, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back to the general settings, the developer options will disappear from the list. But let me keep it turned on. And what I wanted to say is that if the developer options will disappear, and they will after turning them off, then of course no worries, because you can customize them again and just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.